In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up and manage tasks in Asana. Whether you're new to this powerful project management tool or just looking to optimize your workflow, this guide will help you streamline your tasks and stay organized. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log in to your Asana workspace. You can do this by opening Asana on your browser or launching the mobile app if you're working on the go. Once there, go ahead and enter your login credentials. If you're new to Asana, you'll want to sign up to create an account first. After logging in, select the workspace or team you'll be collaborating with. This is where all your projects will reside, so it's important to choose the correct setting from the start. Once you're in your workspace, navigate to the left sidebar where you'll see a list of projects. Select the project for which you'd like to add tasks. Depending on your personal or team's preference, projects can be displayed in various views: list, board, timeline, or calendar. Choose the view that best suits your workflow, as each offers its own unique way to visually manage tasks. Now let's create a new task. Look for the plus add task button, which is usually situated at the top or bottom of your task list. Clicking this will open a field where you can enter the task name. It's essential to make the task name clear and actionable. Titles like Design Landing Page Banner give your team a direct idea of what needs to be done. After naming your task, it's time to add some crucial details to enhance its clarity and trackability. Start with a detailed description. Here, you can add notes, instructions, or even links to important resources. Next, set a due date. A clear deadline helps you keep tasks on track and manage timelines effectively. You might also want to use priority tags or custom fields to classify the task as high, medium, or low priority. This labeling helps team members prioritize their workload efficiently. If there are any relevant files, attach them directly from your computer, Google Drive, or Dropbox to centralize all necessary materials. Now, it's time to assign the task. On the right-hand side, click on the Assignee field and select a team member from the drop-down list. By assigning tasks, you ensure accountability, and the assigned person will receive a notification both in Asana and by email if it's enabled, keeping communication open. As you organize the task, consider breaking it down with subtasks when needed. Click Add Subtask under the main task to include smaller, manageable actions like write copy, design graphics, or review draft. Assign these subtasks to different members if necessary, ensuring a collaborative approach. Finally, let's move on to tracking progress. Utilize either the board view or timeline